Hello and welcome back guys to the last part of the Facebook UI design series. If you didn't watch the first two parts of the series, go and watch it for gaining a better understanding about the process. In this part we will be designing the post layout of the Facebook UI. So without wasting time, let's get started. First we have to create container. Let's copy and paste the container and its properties we already have. Now let's add a child to our container, column children. In the children we will have row. In the row children we will have a profile photo. Let's copy and paste. Let's give spacing here by adding a sized box between our story section and post layout and save it. But here we did a mistake. Let's see. Oh yeah, we added the post layout container into the stories layout section. Let's move outside the post container from the stories layout. Let's select the container with size box, copy and paste it outside the container into our main column and save it. Yes, you can see now we got spacing in between our sections. Let's increase the width and height of the profile photo. Now here let's add a username by adding a text, the text we already have. Let's copy and paste. Let's wrap out our text with a column because we want two text here with vertical alignment. The one is the username and the other is when the user added this post. Let's change the stories text to the username like John Doe. Add a const here and save it. Now let's add our second text, copy and paste under the username. Let's give alignment to our column, cross-axis alignment dot start to move both text to the left. Yes, as you can see now our text are aligned to the left. Let's add a sized box here in width 10 between our profile photo and text and change our archive text to, for example, 1 hour ago and save it. We have to add icon here, icons.more word. Now let's add some spacing between our profile photo and icon. To move the icon to the right side by adding a sized box and wrap the size box with expanded widget and save it. As you can see, now we have spacing in between our icon and other text and profile photo. Let's add some padding here to our row, maybe 20. Let's add an image here from assets. And save it. Yeah, we got our image from assets folder. Let's give height to our photo. Yes, but we don't want the photo to have spacing from the sides. So for this, let's add a single child scroll view to our body and save it, and remove the height because we don't need it. Yeah, this is what we wanted. Once we added the single child scroll view, the overflow is now disappeared because the photo default height was bigger than our screen. Let's move further by adding a row here, and the row will have a stack widget. Children, in the children we will have the first child and image from our assets folder. Here we are going to design the emojis reaction like you see on Facebook, and have a comment text in front of emoji reaction, and the both components will have spacing. Let's add an image assets love.png and save it. Let's add const here. Now let's wrap our love emoji with the container because we want some decoration to our container. The decoration we already have. Let's copy and paste. This will add border to our container. Yeah, we got blue tiny border to our emoji image. Now let's make some adjustment by adding width 20 and save it. Yeah, you can see. Now let's change our colors.white. And let's add a position widget to our stack. In the position widget, the child will have an image with the container and its decoration we already have. Let's copy and paste, save, and let's change our love.png to love.png and save it again. As you can see, we got our second emoji here. Now let's move this emoji to little to the right side to show our love emoji under the love emoji. By left 10 to move our emoji. Let's increase the width to 100 and wrap the stack widget into a container and give width to that created container, and decrease the width of the love emoji container back to 20 and save it. As you can see, now we got to our emojis reaction. Let's copy and paste the position widget one more time to add our third emoji, and change the love.png to wow.png from our assets folder, and increase its length to 20 and save it. Yeah, we have completed this emoji layout. Now let's add text. In the text, for example, 3 comments. And add main axis alignment that space between to our row and save. We have added spacing between our emoji and text. Let's add some spacing to our row, 20, and save. Now let's add another row to our main column. For designing the like, comment and share buttons with icons, row, children, container, and the container, the first child will be a row again. Icons dot thumbs up and save. Now let's add a text, for example like, and save. Now let's copy and paste and change its text to comment and the icon dot comment and save it. Let's paste the container one more time and its text to share, and also its icon to iOS share and save. As you can see, now we got our buttons with icons. Let's add commas here, save, also add const. And add alignment to our row. main axis alignment dot space between, and save. As you can see, now we got spacing. Add size box in between our text and icons with 10. Let's give some padding to our row, 20, and save. Now let's add bouncing scroll physics to our single child scroll view to have a bounce scroll, and save. You can see. Let's change our search text to text, for example, like what's on your mind. Let's add a divider here in between our emoji and button. Let's adjust its indent and indent and thickness also, and change its color to light, and save. As you can see, now we have our Facebook home screen layout. Let me increase the width and height of our profile photo. Both will be 30, and save. Our tutorial ends up here, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, turn on the notification button to never miss an update.